Mga ka-nose! Welcome sa aking YouTube channel, Drinking Nose. I'm your barista, Michael Ryan Gesto. And for today's episode 56, mga must-try drinks and food by Tito by Matcha. Have a cup of tea and talk happy things. A tea that never tasted this good. It's gotta be Tito by Matcha. From the top selection of fresh tea leaves like jasmine and assam, mixed with secret ingredients completely imported from Taiwan, loved by children and adults of all ages. They're located at Block 5, Lot 3, Barangay Bolilao, Mandurriao, Iloilo City, beside DB Oso building or backup security. They're open Monday to Saturday starting 10 a.m. until 8 p.m. and close on Sunday. They're also available via Maxim rides and food delivery Iloilo and also by Fast. And for minimum of 4 cups to avail for their free delivery. For their full list of menus, I'll be providing description down below, and this episode is sponsored by Tito by Matcha. And disclaimer lang po, this is my own opinion and my own standards when it comes to taste test reviews. At ito na po yung shoutout portion natin. Ito, nag-motivate sila, nag-correct sa akin, improve ko sa sarili ko when it comes sa vlog. Yung first ko is shoutout ay yung mother ko, si May Gesto. Thank you so much sa mga advices mo. Pasensya na medyo matigas yung ulo ko. Kailangan ko maging funny, kailangan ko baguhin yung intro ko, ibahin yung terminology ko when it comes sa drinks, sa knowledge ko, when it comes pagiging barista. Na-realize ko na kailangan ko talaga yun na para at least may look forward yung tao na hindi pa ulit-ulit yung sinasabi ko. Second shoutout ko is yung sister ko, si Kinka or si Milktea Gilgesto. Thank you sa pagsama sa akin sa isang taste test vlog, especially sa foods and also sa tips kung anong energy na kailangan kong i-boost sa sarili ko when it comes sa vlog. Lahat po ng advices mo when it comes sa foods. Thank you so much sa aking sister, Kinka. Thank you din sa father ko, si Richard Gesto. Thank you so much sa iyo din, sa lahat po sa pagsama sa akin sa mga taste test vlog ko or sa mga milk tea endorsements ko here in Iloilo City. So, thank you talaga kasi hindi ko talaga makaya na buhatin ko yung 10 milk tea or more. So, thank you so much sa time mo at sa pag-assist sa akin. And last but not least, yung brother ko, si John Ricio Gesto or Chico. So, thank you so much sa akin, brother, kasi siya nag-support sa akin financially when it comes sa vlog and also sa pag-edit sa akin mga episodes, gawa ng magandang thumbnails and also sa mga advices mo at suggestions mo when it comes sa camera angles, sa proper positioning and also sa pag-delivery ko sa lines ko, sa pag-correct sa akin mga pronunciation and also sa mga diction ko. So thank you so much sa inyo lahat kasi kayo yung motivation ko and inspiration para mag-motivate ako push further and to improve myself when it comes sa vlogs and also sa mga taste test ko. So love you all. Keep safe mga nos. God bless. Hi there mga nos. Save your drinks and food by Tito by Matcha. So these are all best sellers in each of their categories and all large size. But before anything else, please do like this video to promote and also to help our local businesses here in Iloilo City. And share this video to one of your friends. And comment down below kung anong mga drinks or food na gusto niyo try for Tito by Matcha. And please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Drinking Nose. At para always kayo notified sa my latest episodes ko, just click the notification bell icon. And please lang mga nose, kapag may nakita kayong skip ads, kahit ilang seconds or ilang minutes lang po, please po, huwag nyo pong skip. Malaking tulong na po yun sa aking channel, Drinking Nose. We have here another newest milk tea shop here in Iloilo City. Most especially sa Bolilao, Mandurriao area. First time kong itry yung drinks sila and also for their food. When it comes sa appearance pa lang, very colorful, very eye-appealing. Tapos may mga ilang flavors dito na first time ko pa itry for my taste test vlog, Drinking Nose. So without further ado, let's start for our first product, Zach's Cheesy Nachos for 100 pesos. For their nacho chips, very crunchy siya. Tapos, when it comes sa meats, very tender, very juicy. And also yung cheese nila, very good texture. Tapos yung sauce or topping sila, ito may nilasan ako something sweet, spicy, savory, and also mixture of veggies, which is Cheetos, and also for its cucumber. This product under Fruit Milktea series, their peach mango for large size, 80 pesos. Color ng straw nila, pastel pink, so very cute siya. Ito ang sarap mga nos, it's very refreshing and also healthy. At the same time, hindi nag-overpower yung sweetness nila, knowing it has peach and mango. It has a good peach mango tidbits or extract. And also, when it comes to pearls, very soft siya at very easy to eat. For next product under Fruit Milktea series, is your papaya for large size for 80 pesos. Ito na notice ko for Fruit Milktea series, napaka-light na drink, very refreshing, and also very healthy. Tapos when it comes to papaya extract, on point siya. Tapos it has a excellent texture and also overall ingredients for this product. Ito first time ko matry yung papaya flavor for their Fruit Milktea series. Sobrang sarap ng drink na to. Must try talaga for Titok by Nachos. And when it comes to sweetness, when it comes to your drinks, pwede kang mag-request yung preferred sugar level nyo for your products. For next product under cream cheese series, this is red velvet cream cheese for large size, 99 pesos. As you can see mga nos, dito sa taas, yung white portion dito or yung white layer is their cream cheese. Ito very precise yung red velvet flavor and also for its essence, which is an excellent quality for my taste. When it comes to cream cheese, ito wala ko nalasan ng sweetness, which is very good. Next product under cream cheese series, this is matcha milk cream cheese for large size, 99 pesos. When it comes to matcha standards ko, very precise and very distinctive. On point yung thickness and also yung downfill for matcha, which has an outstanding taste. And when it comes to cream cheese, it has an excellent creaminess and quality for this product. The next product under cheesecake series is blueberry cheesecake for large size for 105 pesos. When it comes to blueberry, it has the right sweetness and also fruit essence for its berry. Well balanced siya for this thing. Tapos when it comes to cheesecake, hindi siya nag-overpower sa sweetness. Ito nasa tama yung balance for its overall ingredients. For next product under cheesecake series, is your Nutella Oreo cheesecake for large size, 105 pesos. Ito yung una makikin sa akin is yung dalawang flavors for its Oreo granules and also yung Nutella essence. On point sila. And also nalasahan ko yung creaminess for its cheesecake. Next product under fruit tea series is your green apple fruit tea for large size for 70 pesos. Ito very smooth yung texture and also sobrang dali niyang kainin when it comes sa konjac jelly or yung fruit jelly nila. And when it comes sa green apple fruit tea, ito wala ko nalasan artificial sweeteners or flavors for this product. Ito malasahan ko talaga yung sweetness and also for its sourness for green apples. Very refreshing and very healthy. For next product under fruit tea series, this is passion fruit fruit tea for large size for 70 pesos. For this drink, it has an excellent quality for its fruit flavors. Tapos, it has a natural taste and pure and also very present yung passion fruit extract or yung flavor niya. Next product under premium series, this is honeydew for large size, 89 pesos. Ang sarap. Ito first time ko matry yung honeydew flavor for milk tea. Sobrang sarap na drink na to mga nos. Ito very natural yung flavors. Nasa categorize siya for premium kasi nandun talaga yung premium quality and also for its flavor for this product. Our next product under premium series, bamboo charcoal for large size for 89 pesos. When it comes sa charcoal flavor or charcoal series, ito very new and very popular siya for milk tea shops here in Iloilo City. And sa mga knows natin, nagtatanong kung ano yung benefits for charcoal milk tea. Ito based sa research ko by Wenchuan International, that charcoal is said to help clear toxins and improve kidney health. So I'm very excited mga nos kasi this will be my very first may taste yung bamboo charcoal for my tasteless vlog, and also it has good health benefits. Ito yung drink na to, very interesting tapos very unique. Ito hindi ko na-expect, meron siyang sweetness. Yung bamboo charcoal granules, on point siya. Wala ko nalasan na something burn or smoky feel. So nandun yung properly proportion for its sweetness. Okay, for rating manos for all of their drinks in each of their categories and also for their food, I'll give it a perfect 10. So yung drinks na pwede ko suggest for healthy options, I would suggest si green apple fruit tea, si passion fruit fruit tea, si papaya milk tea, si peach mango milk tea, and also si bamboo charcoal. Yung drinks na pwede ko suggest for chocolate or Oreo lovers, I would suggest Nutella Oreo cheesecake, and also si red velvet cream cheese. Drinks na pwede ko suggest for on the go, I would suggest si blueberry cream cheese, si matcha milk cream cheese, and also si honeydew. When it comes sa nachos nila, perfect siya sa mga pika-pika or barkada bundle. Yung nagustuhan ko dito for Titok by Naicha, ito naging consistent sila when it comes sa sugar level, properly balanced at properly proportioned. When it comes sa flavors and overall ingredients, ito naging distinctive yung flavors nila when it comes sa different categories. Tapos yung outstanding dito, tapos mas lalo ko na surprise at nag-enjoy kasi they're using natural and pure flavors each of their drinks in each of their categories. So when it comes sa dining experience nila, very perfect siya sa mga barkada or sa mga get-together sa mga family or friends. And overall, kahit new milk tea shop sila here in Iloilo City, ito, nag-stood out talaga sila na they're using standard procedure and also very precise sila health benefits on their selected healthy options for their drinks. Thank you so much sa lahat po bumubuo for Titok by Naicha, sa owners, sa baristas, for accommodating me and also for assisting me when it comes to products and also for inquiries when it comes to your details. Titok by Naicha has good quality of products, very accommodating baristas and owners, budget friendly, and a certified drinking nose standards approved. Once again, thank you so much and congratulations to Titok by Naicha. Keep safe mga nose. Bye!